Hello, my crafty friend, it's Trinae, and we are about to get into some Happy Mail, because it's Happy Mail Tuesday. What? So today's Happy Mail is from my crafty friend, Crystal. We met in a Facebook group, and we exchanged Halloween flip books. Here we go. Ooh, witch fingers. Alright, so I believe this is the flip book. And she included some goodies as well. Thank you so much, Crystal. Let's open this bad boy up. It has a Velcro attachment. How cute. Oh, this is so adorable. Trick or treat. This is so cute. It has turned back. I love this skull. It's so nice. And it flips up. And then it has something wicked this way comes. This is so cute. All you need is candy. And she talked about the top 5 things to remember on Halloween night. And she has trick-or-treating, scary movies, scary costumes, candy, and pumpkins. Ooh, and look at this shaker. This is so cute. I love these colors. Ooh, shake it, 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 shake it. You guys know I like to shake. And look how cute are these little spider webs over here with the little spider. She did a beautiful job. Oh, wow. And she included some tags. These are so cute. These are so adorable. It has eat, drink, and be scary. Ha 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 ha. And this is her note, which I am going to read off camera because I don't know if she wants me to read her note on film. And oh, look at this. This is wood veneers, y'all. Look. I don't know if you can see the dimension. How cute is that? Sorry for that tapping. That's Chloe. Y'all know Chloe does the most when I start recording. Every time I press record, she cries to get in the room. And then when I let her in the room, she walks around and her nails make the weirdest sound up against these floors. So that's what you hear. But that's my flip book. How cute is this? Thank you so much, Crystal. She did a beautiful job. I love everything about it. This is so cute. If you want to see the flip book I made for Crystal, you can you can click the little bubble tabby thing that's right up here. Now let's look in the back. This is so cute. I love the envelope style flip books. It's so cute. And then we have a little bag, and she included some Halloween goodies. Look at these straws, so cute. I love getting straws. And we have some lace, what do you call it? Eyelash ribbon lace. Not lace, eyelash ribbon. I'm adding words to stuff that don't need to be. She included some clothespins that are Halloween colored. And some cute little felt die cuts with the little owl and the witch hat. These are so cute. And we also have like some little trick-or-treat bags. These would be so cute. I think I might add like a paper clip on the back of these and have it as a planner clamp. And then we have the stack statement. These are big. You know what? I have a old photo that I want to turn into a layout, and I think I'm gonna use this on there because I like it and I think it's so cute. And then also she included some Halloween stickers. So these are so cute. Thank you so much, Crystal. I really enjoyed this package. Everything is just incredibly beautiful, and I thank you. But before I go, I gotta shake it again, y'all. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Because this shaker is so, hold on, let me dim the light so you can see. Or not dim them, but you know, turn them up. How cute is this shaker? Like, this is so pretty. I love these colors. Ah, adorable. Oh, and I never, oh, this sticker, it has texture. She did a beautiful job on this flip book. So thank you so much, Crystal. I greatly enjoy receiving this from you, and I hope you like the flip book I made for you as well. That's it for today, you guys. Thank you for dropping by and spending some time with me to open up some Happy Mail. Happy Mail. And if you guys want to exchange Happy Mail with me, then just send me an email to Trinae@becomingfab.com. I am seeking new pen pals. If you have a YouTube channel and you want to exchange Happy Mail with me, then give me a holla. And maybe we can, you know, get this pen pal thing going on. Get it going on, y'all. Alright, so that is it from me today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.